In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your PC on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is actually go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and select it. And from here, go ahead and type in reset this PC and then select the option to bring up a page that looks like this. If reset your PC doesn't show up, go ahead and type in factory reset instead and it should pop up. But essentially, this is going to open up the system settings page and you're going to want to select reset PC again on here and you're going to see two different options. You're going to see keep my files and then of course you're going to see remove everything. If you want to do a full factory reset and remove everything, obviously go ahead and choose that option. From here, you'll be prompted to select how you want to reinstall Windows. It's going to be a local reinstall or a cloud download. Choose whatever option you prefer. And then from here, hit next a few times and follow the on-screen instructions. Windows will immediately begin the factory reset process and remove everything from the PC. And this is going to delete all files, all apps, and all settings. So make sure you back up anything important before continuing. But that is it. That is how you can reset a PC on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.